How to recover messages in Imo application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Imo application on your device. Log in with your account details. Then click on the profile icon at the top left corner. Go to settings and in setting you will see the option of chats. Simply click on it. Click on chat backup. After that, now click on Auto Backup and choose a particular time. Then toggle on the feature for include video and images. Go to Network for backup and choose both Wi-Fi and cellular. Then go to Backup now and go to Permission. Make sure photos and video permission is allowed for this app. Then after the last step is to simply choose a Google account in which you want to continue with the backup. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.